Today, the UK has a total stockpile of 215 warheads and maintains a fleet of 4 nuclear submarines, each carrying 16 Trident missiles. France also seems to favor the sub. It has 300 warheads and most are deployed on submarines equipped with M45 and M51 missiles. Israel neither confirms nor denies the existence of its nuclear weapons stockpile, but it's estimated to have around 80 warheads and has the capability to build more. Pakistan isn't quite so shy about its nuclear ambitions, a healthy stockpile of around 140 warheads, and it's working to improve its arsenal. The reason for that, of course, is neighboring India, home to an estimated 130 warheads. It's also increasing its stockpile and enhancing delivery methods. China has 270 warheads it can deliver by air, land and sea. Then there's the very secretive North Korea. Just how advanced their nuclear program is remains unclear. They claim to have a new type of intercontinental ballistic missile that can hit the U.S. mainland. Experts think they have enough material for around 10 plutonium-based warheads, but there's also believed to be producing highly enriched uranium. If that's true, by 2020 they could have between 20 to 100 warheads. The United States, which is increasingly concerned about North Korea's nuclear program, has the second largest stockpile in the world, with 6,800 warheads in total. 2,800 of them are retired. They're still intact. They're just waiting to be dismantled. And to this day, the U.S. is the only country to have used nuclear weapons in war. But in terms of pure numbers, Russia remains the biggest nuclear power in the world, with 7,000 warheads and just over 2,500 retired. But according to ICAN, it's also in modernization mode. Perhaps what is the most chilling is that many of today's nuclear weapons are much more powerful than the ones dropped on Japan in 1945. A single nuclear warhead, if dropped on a large city, could kill millions.